she is actually in town for 2 days. She came to get her hair done. She flew in and she's going to be here for 2 days. So the first day, I decided to make it a 2-day appointment. The first day, we colored it, okay? We took her back dark, and she wanted like a plum-like color. And after coloring it, I decided to shampoo and condition using the Moisture RX. Now, after I shampooed and conditioned it, I wanted to give her the overnight treatment, and that's the Moisture RX overnight mask. She is going back to her hotel and she's going to spend the night with the mask on. And if you're willing to break up your appointment in 2 days, why not? The picture here in the top right was her before color. Day 2, we rinse out the overnight conditioner and we go ahead and style it. It feels so much better. Don't forget, her hair is still blonde underneath this color. It is the next day. I have rinsed out her mask. I am going to add the Miel's Moisture RX leave-in conditioner. She got color, so I definitely want to put as much moisture into her hair as I can. So I put about a quarter-sized amount in. Afterwards, I do a quick little blow dry with my paddle brush. Now that she's all straightened out and her ends are clipped, I take some of Miel's rosemary oil and I put some into her scalp, and then I massage it through and pull it out to the ends. When I straighten her hair, I try not to run the iron all the way through to the ends, because when I go back to style, I bump the ends all together, so I don't want to put too much heat on them. And we're all done. She's all set.